You see, I've been in Parliament before. I don't want to venture saying that they are liars.
The minorities are
But
lying. They
no,
misled the public.
I say I don't want to venture that because in Parliament that will be unparliamentary. But they are not being truthful. They are not being factually truthful to Ghanaians. I challenge them.
So how much was spent on this project, sir?
I challenge
Do
them.
we know?
It has not. It doesn't come anywhere near what they are talking
So for
about.
the benefit of
Because
the
we are
viewers,
even
tell us
paying.
how
We are
much we
paid.
spent on
We
this, sir.
paid in cedis. They are making allegations. If they have the figure, they should produce it, and they should produce the records. You don't have to bite and then chew that. I'm saying they are wrong, and they are not being truthful to Ghanaians. They don't have to speculate figures out there. We don't pay even in dollars. Why should they in the first place go out there and say we've paid in dollars? Just to tease us out, to come and say something? No.